Ugh, it's just me, you guys. The dinosaurs are not here. You know why? They're sleeping. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Alright. I feel like a super villain today, not a normal villain. A super villain.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna go rob a bank. I'll be back really fast.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I love these super villain powers.
Oh, well, what did you get this money?
I stole it
Where?
from a bank.
Well, I guess they have super rich money. Oh,
Yeah.
$80.
I'll do it again. I'm so fast.
Holy God! $86? Kidding me? Money party! Yeah, give me some.
Yeah.
Give me some of that money.
Yeah. Damn, man, this is a lot of money. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah.
Give me money.
it. Give me some, man.
Yeah,
Hey,
I'm gonna
wait.
get 20.
Hey, maybe we should steal something. Steal like another bank or something. Yeah, you wanna guys go? We're on in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's great.
Yeah, you should go.
Let's go right now.
Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, maybe you should rob the store better. It's bigger, probably more richer than the bank. All that.
Yeah, and what do you and how does sword even use?
Oh, let's go.
Okay.
Hey, you dumb seller. Oh, hello. Welcome to my store. What would you like to buy today? What would you like to buy, huh? There's a lot of good things. Put your hands up or robbing you. Here. Oh, hey, Brutus. Here, put the sword up to him.
Ching.
Now give me the money right now. Oh, I think I cannot. Oh, time to push the button for the cops. Tick. Uh-oh. This is a big problem, guys.
Okay, we should get up.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh man, I guess they left. Damn it, I guess I'm gonna have to try later. Huh. Oh guys, that was such a close one. He didn't even catch us. Alright guys? Right, Brutus? Oh no. He's dead. I'm just kidding. Hey, Brutus. Okay, I guess he's not dead.
What?
Now get out of here. Hey, Deadpool. What happens, boss? You want to try to rob it again? Okay, that sounds great. Sounds like a great idea. Maybe we should go. Hey, Brutus, come with us.
Okay.
Let's go. Not you, Master Chief. You stay here and take care of the lair, just in case there's any police coming here. Okay, Master Chief?
Alright.
Let's go. Hey, dumb seller, we're back again. Give us the money. Oh, I don't think so. You're not getting no money today, you dumb. Oh, that's you actually. So give us the damn money. Give us the damn money. Put your hands up in the air. Oh, what?
I know you guys see my boys got teeth. I catch you guys. Come over here.
Oh shoot, I gotta go.
No, you're not coming. You're coming with me.
No.
This is gonna be your sit.
Oh. Hey, get me out of here. Hey, get me out.
No.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
No, get me out of here. No.
Hey, you guys, people from the city, assistant, are you okay?
Yeah. I'm alright. Yeah. Right, Deadpool. Oh, yeah, your voice kind of changed right there. Yeah, I'm kind of scared, man. Let's just get out of here. Yeah, let's just go.
So you guys okay?
Yeah. We're about to leave, okay?
Okay, just go already. I don't want to see your faces.
Let's go to Brutus. Master Chief, we're back.
Yeah?
It didn't go so well.
What do you mean? Where's Songbird actually?
He got arrested.
Oh, what?
For being a dumbass. Ha! Now we got the whole layer to ourselves, man. Right, Brutus?
Yeah, I guess so. Well, who's gonna be our new boss?
Nobody, just gotta wait for him to get out of jail. Then we can party until he's not here.
Okay.
Time to party.
It's
Yeah! So much fun.